Hi, we're excited you booked your class. Here's what happens next. First, you'll get an email in your inbox confirming your registration. If you don't see it, check your spam folder in case it was put there. The email looks like this. It has guide info, class info, and payment info if it was a paid class. It also has a link so you can add it right into your online calendar to help remind you of the class date and time. If you don't have an online calendar, be sure to jot it down somewhere. Even put a sticky note on your device so you don't forget. Then, on the day of the class, you'll get an email with the subject, Happening Today. When you open the email, you'll see a button that you press when it's time to join the class at class start time. 1 hour before the class, though, we'll send you a reminder email. Here's what that one looks like. To make the most of your class, though, come prepared. Find a quiet spot to sit in, check your camera if you have one, and your microphone if you want to ask any questions. But most of all, be prepared to have fun. I hope you enjoy your class and invite your friends to join you in other classes you'll find on our website.